Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Oregon Zan and I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to work on a project that I saw Christopher Heidemann create. Christopher is one of my very favorite YouTubers. He does amazing work, and it's a vintage pumpkin that has a paper mache look to it, and I just thought it was so cool. I really wanted to try making it. So I went to Michael's and got all the craft supplies that I needed, including this glass bowl. So the first thing I wanted to do is figure out how I wanted the face to look. I added a little extra tissue paper to the left side of the mouth because I wanted it to be a little longer. But after I had it on, I just put another layer of Mod Podge over the top. So this part is pretty messy. There really isn't any easy way to do it, but I just took some joint compound. Jim had some in the garage actually, so I just took some and tried to get in as best I could around the face. The back part, of course, is a lot easier, but trying to get in between the eyes and nose and mouth is a little hard, but it just takes a little patience and you'll get it done. And then after I finished with that, I took a paintbrush and I just kind of patted down some of the rough areas and just try to make it look a little smoother.
come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Okay, so at this point I'm supposed to go like outline the face with paint, but I'm kind of a chicken to use paint, so I went over it with a black marker, and then I felt more comfortable going over it with the paint after that.
Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes? Until winter comes? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder.
So I ended up wiping off the nose. I just wanted it to be a little bit more simple. But what I'm doing here is I took some yellow and orange two-toned tissue paper. And I ripped it up, and I'm just Mod Podging the inside to give it more of a finished look. And here I took some Mod Podge and I added a couple drops of beige paint, and I'm just brushing it on the whole pumpkin. But don't worry, it's going to dry clear. So here, in order to give it an antique look, I add a couple drops of black acrylic paint to some water and just brush it on the outside, and just not too much. I overdid it a little bit, but anyways, you're supposed to give it a brush on the outside to make it look old and used. And I don't know, I think it comes out pretty cool. And then I'm just going to finish it off with a high gloss acrylic spray. And there it is. I think it came out pretty creepy and pretty cool. I hope you like it. I will put Christopher Heidemann's link in my description, and maybe you can go check out his channel as well. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this vintage pumpkin, and I hope you will consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Until next time, bye-bye, friends.